Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to find your relationships activity in Facebook on PC. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to access and view your relationship interactions easily. Step 1. Open Facebook. Launch your web browser and go to Facebook's website. Step 2. Click on your profile photo located in the top right corner of the screen. This will open your profile. Step 3. Navigate to the Photos tab on your profile. Click on it to access your photo library. Step 4. Look for the 3 dots icon, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to access additional options. Step 5. From the drop-down menu, select Activity Log. This will bring up your activity log, which is a record of all your past actions on Facebook. Step 6. Scroll down until you find the Relationships section. Click on it to see all your interactions related to relationships. That's it. You've successfully found your relationships activity in Facebook on your PC. Now you can easily review and reminisce about past relationship moments. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.